Welcome to the presentation on code converters in digital logic design. This presentation is designed for beginners. In this presentation, we will cover the basics of code converters. We will discuss the conversion between different codes, such as binary and gray code, and other code conversions commonly used in digital systems. What exactly are code converters? Code converters are combinational logic circuits. They have the ability to transform data from one binary code format to another. This means if you have data represented in one type of binary code, a code converter can translate it into a different binary code. Let us compare binary code and gray code. Here we can see a comparison between binary code and gray code for the first 5 values starting from 0. In binary code, we have 0000001, 010, 011, and 100. Notice how multiple bits can change between consecutive numbers. On the other hand, gray code is 0000001, 011, 010, and 110. The key difference is that only one bit changes between each consecutive gray code number, which can be very useful in reducing errors in certain digital systems. Here we have binary to gray converter. The conversion formula is as follows. Gray 0 is equal to binary 0 XOR binary 1. Gray 1 is equal to binary 1 XOR binary 2. Gray 2 is equal to binary 2 XOR binary 3. Gray 3 is equal to binary 3. And now, for the Python implementation. Define a function called binary to gray, which accepts a binary number as input. Gray is equal to the first digit in the binary number. Begin a for loop. For I in the range of 1 to the length of the binary number. Bit is equal to the integer of the previous digit XOR with the current digit. The gray number is the addition of the string of the bit. Return the gray number. Here we have gray to binary converter. The conversion formula is as follows. Binary 3 is equal to gray 3. Binary 2 is equal to binary 3 XOR gray 2. Binary 1 is equal to binary 2 XOR gray 1. Binary 0 is equal to binary 1 XOR gray 0. And now, for the Python implementation. Define a function called gray to binary, which accepts a gray number as input. Binary is equal to the first digit in the gray number. Begin a for loop. For I in the range of 1 to the length of the gray number. Bit is equal to the integer of the previous digit XOR with the current digit. The binary number is the addition of the string of the bit. Return the binary number. This is a truth table example. Here is a truth table that maps binary code to gray code. The table displays all possible 4-bit combinations, from 000 to 111, along with their corresponding gray code equivalents. For instance, binary 000 is gray 000. Binary 001 is gray 001. Binary 010 is gray 011, and so on. This table is useful for quickly referencing the converted values between the two codes. Apart from binary to gray and gray to binary converters, there are several other code converters used in digital logic design. These include binary coded decimal to binary converters, which convert BCD code to pure binary form. Binary to BCD converters, which perform the reverse operation. XS3 to BCD converters, which convert XS3 code to binary coded decimal. And BCD to XS3 converters, which convert BCD code to XS3 code. Code converters are useful in many applications. They are used in position sensors, such as rotary encoders, where gray code helps to reduce errors. In data storage, code converters aid in error reduction within digital systems. They are also used in communication systems for digital signal transmission and in display systems, such as 7-segment displays. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.